One of the cool things that we're doing on this music video is utilizing 1950s glass. This is Zero Optiks, the ASC, and Keslow have collaborated together to bring out of the depths of disrepair these lenses that were given to the ASC 20 some odd years ago and just left in a basement to rust, have now been rejuvenized. And these are lenses that were used on The Sound of Music, Oklahoma, Patton, Around the World in 80 Days, and Cleopatra. So we are using these lenses, these 65mm lenses. So beautiful back port and everything, these 65mm lenses for our happy flashback times. So a little lighter contrast, really unique fall off around the edges, and really pushing the Ursa Cine Pro LF to its maximum. And what's going to be really nice is the slew of lenses. We have an 18, a 28, a 40, a 50. My favorite, the 55. We call it the double nickel. Okay, 60 mil, 80, and this beautiful 135. So I just want you to understand the power of how we are starting to really reclaim a lot of this old glass, and it's completely taking the digital sensor that at 12K and 8K is super sharp, and it just takes the edge off of that, and that's what we're gonna deliver with our flashbacks on this music video. And if you wanna find some really great vintage glass, head to Keslow. We have the Zero Optik ASC collaboration with Keslow, their whole line of 65mm lenses, along with so much more. Get in there, start testing, and challenge yourself. Push yourself out of your comfort zone, because there might be a new story to tell with some awesome vintage glass.